Lawmakers in New Jersey came together today to continue to push a bill that would amend the child sex abuse statute of limitations in the state for civil lawsuits. A former USA gymnastics athlete and sex abuse survivor testifying today in hopes of having a hand in change. Our Cleve Bryan is in Trenton right now at the State House where the hearing took place. Cleve, good evening.
Good evening, Yuki. That hearing took more than 4 hours, and we heard from experts that talked about the fact that when you open up sexual abuse cases, even in civil court, not only does it help the victims see damages, it starts to expose the truth about sexual predators.
I was always abused and shamed as a gymnast.
Jessica Howard is a USA Gymnastics Hall of Famer and survivor of sexual abuse by the notorious Dr. Larry Nassar. Thursday, she was among more than 50 people to testify before New Jersey's Senate Judiciary Committee as they consider a measure to expand the window of opportunity for sexual abuse victims to hold their abusers accountable in civil court.
The victims that are already out there will have a chance to get that little bit of empowerment and that feeling that it wasn't in my head, it happened, and it was wrong, and that's where you can start the road to recovery.
The bill before lawmakers would allow child victims to sue their abusers until the victim turns 55 years old or within the first 7 years of realizing that they suffered abuse. That would certainly help those with suppressed trauma have a path to seek damages in court. Right now, the statute of limitations for civil suits is just 2 years from the act of abuse, which bill sponsor Senator Joe Vitale says just isn't fair to victims.
Every single day we tell them that unless they can disclose their assault or abuse to those around them and face their rapist or abuser within 2 years, their trauma doesn't matter.
Some oppose the bill on the grounds retroactively allowing people to sue individuals, charities, and organizations for situations they may have never known about in the past is a problem. The Catholic Church, which is embroiled in a wide-reaching abuse investigation by New Jersey's Attorney General, doesn't want the bill to apply to accusations prior to the mid-90s. New Jersey's Catholic Conference says they do support the overarching goal of allowing victims more opportunities to seek justice.
First of all, we want the victims to know that we're concerned, want to help them heal, and we want to provide compensation.
As today's Senate bill advances, there's also an accompanying Assembly bill that must still go through committee. If they become law, it will be enacted starting December. Reporting live in Trenton, Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Cleve, thank you.